We did a poll recently about whether you needed pasta recipes or chickpea recipes. And bizarrely enough, it came up 50-50. Now we've done a fair amount of pasta, so it's chickpea time. We're going to make a sort of like a smoky chickpea and chicken bake. Hey boy.
Hi. I just wanted to join it.
Well then you join in, my angel. Do you want to put these in the pan?
I don't know.
I'll do it for you. I'm going to put the garlic in. You're going to stir that in. Hold on, let me borrow this. Okay, off you go. All right, well, while you're doing the stirring, I'm going to add the spices. I'm going to use about a teaspoon or so of coriander. This is cumin, quite a lot stronger than coriander, and some chili flakes. Now, these look innocuous, but they're quite potent. I'm going to add a bit of smoked paprika. It's very, very delicious, but it's also very potent. And I'm going to add the chicken. Now, you don't have to add chicken at all. I often just do this with chickpeas and tomatoes. And I just sort of agitate it so that you get all the sort of sticky spices at the bottom and the onion. I'm going to toss in a can of chopped tomatoes. If you don't have chopped tomatoes, chop them yourself. Just put your stock into the can so you can swish out all the tomatoey goodness. Salt and pepper. Chuck the chickpeas in. But I suppose you could use butter beans, or you could use cannellini beans, pinto beans, black beans, whatever you liked, really. Just watching Flynn up there, that's how I learned to cook. I sat on the counter of the kitchen. My mum was alive and watched her make everything, really. I think that's how it all started. Okay, pop a lid on, and you can put it on the stove top if you want, otherwise into the oven about 180 degrees for about 40 minutes or so. We'll chop some parsley just so we've got some to scatter through when the chicken is done, which it almost is. My second selling divine. Oh, hard workers. Oh, marvellous. I'm going to put some parsley on it. Divine, it sort of smells like cowboy food without the sort of bad movie.